So, I'm going south. Yes. I live by the Arctic Circle in northern part of Sweden, and typically late September and early October the fall starts to become more like winter, and it gets cold with below zero nights and things like that. So I usually my bikes and my family and pack up our car and go to the southern part of Sweden, where it's still much warmer. It's more like it was in mid to late August home, in particular in Scania, or Skåne as it's called. And this year I'm planning to film a lot when we're here, and also ride a lot on my bike, and I also have filmed quite a lot on the trip down here, but unfortunately my GoPro took a dump on me, and it corrupted the memory card, so a couple of hours of time-lapsing and things like that was ruined. So yeah, it kind of sucked. But so this is what I have filmed on the way here, and this is the material. What you're about to see now is the material that I have managed to do something with, so stay tuned. Here is where we camped tonight, and now we are packing up and start driving again. Now we have stopped here in Jönköping, and we are going to go out here and take a look at this castle ruin that's down there. Very exciting, and it's very windy, so I filmed this in the car, and yes.